Hello, this is RIDGID K-50 snake machine. The proper name is drain machine, and it's frequently used by plumbers for both residential and commercial application, and also it's for serious do-it-yourselfers as well. This particular snake machine is a very popular choice in plumbing. And also you can get many different types of heads or attachments for cables. Some of them are cutters, some of them are augers, and they come in different sizes and shapes, and you can use them in different applications as well. The most important attachment, in my opinion, that you can get for RIDGID K-50 machine looks like this, and it's called drop head auger. And there is a reason why it's called drop head auger. It helps a flexible cable to navigate through bends in pipes, bends and fittings in pipes to break up or remove a clog. When you use this machine, you have to feed the cable into the drain slowly while maintaining a firm grip. Avoid forcing the cable to prevent damage. The rest of the video is pretty much self-explanatory, and I hope you catch what I'm trying to say. K-50 is a reliable choice for anyone who needs an effective drain cleaning solution. It combines power, portability, and it's very easy to use. And if you have a specific scenario, issue, or question you would like to discuss further, let me know. I hope you enjoy this video, and if it's successful, I will post more.